Introducing aPriori.
I'm not proud to put this up here, but where are we at today? Now, design engineering emails me to print. Then we email it to 3 suppliers, right? A couple phone calls, they email me a response back. We, a couple weeks, make a decision, who you're gonna negotiate with, make an award. We're about 10, 11 weeks. I cut out 2 weeks. Where did I cut the 2 weeks out? USPS, right? That's it. So I'm not proud to admit this, but that's what happens today. So where are we moving? We're moving to digital factories with aPriori, obviously, where we negotiate labor, overheads, and margin. We've got their equipment list. We all know what they can make, but we negotiate that stuff early on. We select them before the design's done, and then it's a quick, follow-up, and a week later, we're ordering parts. So that's where we're going, say 10 to 1, right? 10 weeks down to about 1 week is really what we're trying to push here.
aPriori, making profitability and sustainability a reality for a better world.